Self-practice 1.3 question 1. Function g is defined by this. Okay. Find the images of -5, -2 and 1/2. Okay. So let's imagine this is our -5, -2 and 1/2. So we need to find their respective images. Okay, so this is x and this is gx. They are all related by this function. Okay, so first let's solve for -5. Okay, so we can say when x is -5, gx will equal to 3 plus 6 over x minus 1, right? So x will be -5 minus 1. So here we can take our calculator. 3 plus 6 over -5 minus 1. We get 2. This answer. Then the next one is -2. So when x, no need to write when again. You just write x equals to -2. Gx equals to 3 plus 6 over -2 minus 1. 6 over -2 minus 1. 1. And then lastly, when x is 1/2, gx equals to 3 plus 6 over 1/2 minus 1. 3 plus 6 over 1/2 minus 1. -9. So these are our images. 2, 1, -9. Done. Okay. Next, let's look at 1b. Given the image of b is 2b, find the possible values of b. So if the object is b, your image is 2b. So gx is 3 plus 6 over x minus 1, right? So we need to find gb. And gb would be 3 plus 6 over b minus 1. And they said gb is 2b. So 2b is 3 plus 6 over b minus 1. Okay, can understand? So this is our object. When our object is b, our image is 2b. So you put the object into here. This is our image. And our image also represents 2b. So then we can find b lah. So let's make b the subject. We bring the fraction here, so we get 3. So now we have to make the denominator same. 2b is 2b over 1. So we multiply by we multiply by b minus 1 and b minus 1 here. So 2b times b minus 1 is 2b square minus 2b over b minus 1 minus 6 over b minus 1 equals to 3. So since these two, they share the same denominator, we can rewrite this like this. You can just put -6 here, sharing the same denominator. -3, we can rewrite it here. So we have to solve this lah now. So 2b square minus 2b minus 6 equals to 3b minus 3. 2b square minus 2b minus 3b. Okay, 3 we bring here. Minus 6, then -3 we bring there, plus 3 equals to 0. Okay, why we need to bring there? Because this is quadratic functions. -6 plus 3, -3 is 0. Okay, so you have to solve this by factorizing. Okay, let's alamak, no space. Okay, never mind, I delete all these. We just need this part. So to factorize this, you can use the help of your calculator. Go to mode, polynomial, 2, -5, -3. So we get b is -1/2 and b is 3. So you have to put it back into the bracket. So when putting this back, it will become 2b plus 1. Okay, the -1 will become +1. And this one will become b minus 3. Okay, don't show these arrows. Okay, and this will be our two possible values of b.